database, in distributed database, data can be stored in different systems. First advantage what, madam? Data can be stored in different systems. Data stored can be data can be stored in different systems. Simple first one. First advantage what, madam? Data in our distribution database. In our distribution database, data can be stored. Data can be stored in different systems. Data can be stored in different systems like personal computers, servers, mainframes, etc. Okay, now come to number two. Number two, what is the number two advantage, madam? A user does not know where the data is located physically. Database presents the data to the user. Simple, madam. First advantage, what, madam? What is the first advantage? First advantage, database. In our distribution database, data can be stored. Data can be stored in different. 1 minute. Right. In a distribution database, data can be stored in different systems. Simple first advantage, data can be stored in different systems. First one, data can be stored in different systems. First one. Number two, a user does not know. A user does not know where the data is located presently, physically. User does not know where the data is located physically. Database presents the data to the user as if we are located locally. Simple, madam. Second advantage what, madam? A user does not know. User does not know where the data is located physically. That means what, madam? User does not know that location. Data location. User does not know the data location. Okay, na? Next, database can be accessed over different networks. Database can be accessed over different networks, and through different networks also we can access the distribution data. Number four, what is the number four advantage, madam? Data can be joined, updated from different tables which are located on different machines. Simple, madam. For example, data can be joined or updated. Data can be joined and updated from different tables which are located on different machines. Simple, madam. Data can be joined and updated. Data can be joined and updated from different tables which are located on different machines. Next one, the next advantage, madam. Next advantage, even if a system
Sir,
if,
fourth one once again, sir.
1 minute, I will explain,
Data
madam.
can be joined.
For example, no, data can be joined means, for example, here I want an example to you. Data can be joined and updated from different tables which are located on different machines. For example, you can see here one database is there. Okay, here one database is there. Okay, from this database we will get some data. From this database we will get some data. Both data can be joined. Okay, madam. Simple, data can be joined and updated from different tables which are located on different machines. Now, for example, what is the meaning for that one means? We have join and update different tables data. Simple. We can join and update from different tables which are located in different machines. Okay, na? Next one. Even if a system fails, integrity of the distributed database is maintained. For example, if one system fails, for example, here one database is there, here one database is there, here one database is there. Okay, for example, this database system fails. Even if system fails, remaining distributed database are maintained. Remaining distributed database are maintained. Next one, a distributed database is secure. Another one, a distributed database is secure. This one what, madam? Advantage of simple, remember these points. What are the advantages of distributed databases? DDBMS కాదమ్మా, distributed databases. Distributed database means data can be stored different systems in a distributed database. In a distributed database, data can be stored in different systems. Data can be stored in different systems like personal computers, servers, mainframes, etc. Second one, user does not know where the data is located. User does not know where the data is located physically. Next, another one, fourth one, so third one, database can be accessed. Database can be accessed from different networks. From different networks. Okay, na madam. Next, even one system failed, remaining distributed databases are maintained. Next, distributed database is secure. Another one, data can be joined and updated from different tables. Which are located on different machines. These are all advantages of distributed database. These are all advantages of what, madam? Distributed databases. Let's come to what are the disadvantages of distributed database. What are the disadvantages of distributed database? Means number one. First one, since the data is accessed from remote system, performance is reduced. Static SQL cannot be simple, madam. For example, first disadvantage what, madam? For example, now you are in Hyderabad. Now you want to access Bangalore database. Now you can access Bangalore database. Since the data accessed from a remote system, performance is reduced. Otherwise, remember simply only one thing, madam. Performance is reduced. Simple performance is what, madam? Reduced. Performance is what, madam? Reduced. That one first disadvantage. Second one, network traffic is increased in distributed database. Network traffic is increased. Just remember these points, madam. First one, performance is reduced. Next one, network traffic is increased. Network traffic is increased in distributed database. Network traffic is increased. Next, database optimization is difficult to do in distributed database. Simple, madam. Performance reduce. Next one, increase network traffic. Database optimization is difficult. Madam. Third disadvantage. Database optimization is difficult. Fourth one, different data formats are used in different systems. Next, remember what are the disadvantages of distributed database means? First, you can remember first one, performance is reduced. Next, network traffic is increased. Database optimization difficult. Simple. Performance is reduced. First one, remember this one. Performance is reduced. Network traffic is increased. Data optimization is difficult. Next, different data formats are used in different systems. And different data formats are we can use in different systems. Different data formats are used in different systems. Next, different products are used in different systems. Simple, madam. First one, different data formats we can use. That one difficult. But we cannot easily understand that format. Next, different DBMS products we can use. Different DBMS projects we can use. Next, managing system catalog is difficult. System catalog is difficult task. Next, while recovering a failed system, the DBMS has to make sure that the recovery system consists. No need to remember this. No need to remember this one, madam. We cannot handle deadlock. Simple. I will explain once again. 1 minute you can see. What are the disadvantages of DDBM distributed database? Means first one, performance reduced. Remember this point only. Performance is reduced. First one. Number two, network traffic is increased. Number 3, database optimization is difficult. Database optimization is difficult. Fourth one, different formats we can use in different systems. Different formats we can use in different systems. Next, fifth one, different DBMS products we can use. Different DBMS products we can use. That one, complexity. Next, we cannot handle deadlocks. We cannot handle what, madam? Deadlocks. Enough. You can remember this. This points enough, madam. Okay, now what are the advantages of distributed database? Means in distributed database, data can be stored in different systems like personal computers, servers, mainframes, etc. User does not know where the data is located physically. Next, database can be accessed over different networks. Data can be joined and updated from different tables and from different systems. Even if one system fails, the integrity of the distributed database is maintained. Next, a distributed database is secure. What are the disadvantages of distributed database? Means first one, database performance is reduced. Performance is reduced. Number two, network traffic is increased. Network traffic is increased. Database optimization is difficult. Database optimization is difficult. Next, different formats we can use in different systems. Next, you can use different types of DBMS products. We can use different types of DBMS products. That one, complexity. Next, we cannot handle deadlocks. We cannot handle what, madam? Deadlock. These are all what, madam? These are all what, madam? These are all distributed database advantages and disadvantages. Okay, na? Advantage of distributed database and disadvantage of what, madam? Distributed database. Okay, na? These are all the advantages and disadvantages of advantages and disadvantages of DDBMS and distributed databases. Distributed databases. Okay. Now, okay, come to next one, data replication. Data replication, madam. Data replication. This is an important. Data replication, madam. What is data replication? Means data replication means data replication is the process of making multiple copies of data and storing them in different locations to improve their overall accessibility across network. What is data replication? Means easy, madam. First one, data replication process of making multiple copies of data. For example, here we have some data is there. For example, you can observe here we have some data is there, madam. Here we have some data is there. Here we have some data is there. I want to save same copy in different locations for future purpose. Simple one. Data replication is the process of making multiple copies of data and storing them at different locations to improve their overall accessibility across the network. Simple, madam. For example, here we have one image is there. For example, here we have one notes is there. One pic is there. You want to save same pic one or more locations for future purpose. This process is called nothing but a data replication. This process is called nothing but a data replication. Data replication is the process of making multiple copies of data multiple copies of data and storing them at different locations, madam. Simple. What is data replication means? We can store or we can copy. We can 1 minute. Right. What is data replication means? Data replication is the process of making multiple copies of data, and storing them at different locations, to improve their overall performance, that is called nothing but a data replication. ఏం లేదమ్మా డేటా రిప్లికేషన్ అంటే if you want to store one copy in more than one places, that is called nothing but a data replication. Simple man, data replication is the process of making multiple copies of data, and storing them in different locations, to improve their overall accessibility across the network. That is called nothing but data replication. Okay, na? Data replication means we can save more than one copy in different locations. Simple. Data replication can be applied. This data replication can be applied in both individual computation servers. Data replication can be applied to both individual computer servers. First point, what is data replication means? Data replication is the process of making multiple copies of data, and storing them at different locations, that is called nothing but data replication. Data replication can be applied in both computers and individual computer servers. What are the benefits of data replication, madam? There are different types of data replications. Okay, up to here you have any doubt, madam? You have any doubts? Up to here any doubt, madam? Up to data
No,
replication, any doubts?
No, sir.
Data replication now comes. Okay, tomorrow I will explain data replication advantages and types of data replication and fragmentation. Okay na? Okay na? Why? Because today మీకు చెప్తే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా? Tomorrow I will explain data replication features and types of data replication, next data fragmentation. Okay na? Okay na, madam?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right. Thank you, madam.